Hillcrest in San Diego is really known for being the hub of the gay community in San Diego. It's very colorful, it's very ethnic, it has tons of fun coffee shops and restaurants, and today we decided to explore it and see what it had to offer. And there are many interesting places. Come along with us. We saw rainbow flags throughout the entire neighborhood. This building really appealed to me. I just love the open courtyard right in the middle there. So here's something interesting. The Merkley Mitchell Mortuary used to be on the campus of the Scripps Hospital, and folks thought that was inappropriate, so they had a team of horses drag it to this site. The Design Center, designed in 1949, is an early example of mid-century modern architecture, and today this is over 70 years old. In 1910, the Wednesday Club commissioned Hazelwood Waterman to design this building for their civic club. I just love the contrast of the uber-modern architecture and the traditional. Here you have All Saints Episcopal Church, which was built in 1912 and is a great example of Spanish Revival architecture. It's an absolutely beautiful building. And this was one of many fantastic murals throughout the city. The Brass Rail was the first gay bar in the area. It's known for its Art Deco architecture, and at night, its beautiful neon lights. There are some really colorful shops in the area as well. We decided to go in and look at a couple of them. The Guild Theater, built in 1913, was originally Spanish Revival style. However, today it's a little bit more modern than that. Walking through this section was a feast for the eyes, for those of you who, like me, might enjoy a pop of color. Our destination for lunch was Goi Quan. I hope I said that right. Anyway, that word means a traditional, fresh Vietnamese spring roll. Ours were crispy on the inside and extremely tasty.
You have to love Vietnamese coffee. It's condensed milk and sugar and coffee, and it's usually like instant coffee, but whatever it is, those three things together, it's fantastic.
Honestly, we just touched the surface of all there is to see in Hillcrest. There's so much more, so this is just a taste of what's there. Do yourself a favor and come visit. It's definitely worth a nice walk. There are many self-guided tours you can find on the internet, and each one features a different part of this colorful neighborhood.